Today's date is Monday, April 15th, 2024. Help me get you 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. And beg y'all, I do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment down below. Hit that like button. Smash that red subscribe button. Get this YouTube video to 1 billion views, 1 million likes, 500,000 comments. And also get my YouTube channel to 500 million subscribers. I appreciate it. I need 3 more subscribers. As of today, Monday, April 15, 2024. I need 3 more subscribers to reach 300, and I appreciate it. Thank you for 297 subscribers. Almost 3 more subscribers to reach 300. And also, please watch this video all the way through until the end, so I can have so much watch time average and views both. Please, I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. For more minutes, Casper. For more minutes. Goodbye. That cat out there, he's a boy. His name's Casper. Every day while it's warm out, 80 degrees, trying to train Casper, a male cat. Baby, it's a female cat. I'm trying to train them both to last for 10 minutes. Or maybe 20 minutes while I'm recording. 3 minutes, Casper. 3 minutes. Trying to train them to last about, well, today, Casper's going to last for 3 more minutes. Be 5. 3 minutes, Casper. Okay. Y'all, if you still watch this video, please watch out through to the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have to make watch time ads and views both. And also Google and YouTube. If you listen on this alternate content, I don't know, because everything in this video is 100% real, not AI. Do you want me to Casper? I'm gonna go eat. Want to go eat, Casper? Fish out there. Good girl, baby. Good girl. You and Casper both last for 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Yeah. Casper, you eating? You should last for 5 minutes. Good boy, Casper. Good girl, baby. You're both good cats. Also, if y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. I can have too much watch time ads and views both. That's Baby right there. Baby is out there eating. Baby is a female cat, and that's Casper right there, a male cat. He's eating too. Y'all, please help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I beg y'all, I'll do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Today's date is Monday, April 15th, 2024. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all to do anything. I'll subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. And also share this video with your friends and family. Like, hit that like button. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Well, soon you won't be able to say hit that red subscribe button below. You physically say hit that red subscribe button on the right side. Because YouTube is changing on the right side. Okay. Help me get you 500 million subscribers. I'll subscribe back. I appreciate it. And also, if you're still watching the video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. And also, Google and YouTube, if y'all listening in on this alternate content, I will hit on no. Because everything in this video, it's 100% real, not AI. It's not fake. It's 100% real. Everything in this video, including my voice. That's okay, baby. Casper's trying to show you some love. That's a good boy. Good boy, Casper. A good boy, answer. Good boy, Casper. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have to mention watch time ads and views both. Good boy, Casper. It's almost 5 more minutes left, okay? And it'll be 10. You're in the back. That's good. Okay. And 5 more minutes left, okay? And it'll be 10 minutes. Okay? You got 5 minutes left. Casper. And also, y'all, I need 3 more subscribers, and I'll reach 300 subscribers on YouTube. So far, it's 3 more subscribers. I'm gonna check that now. Yeah, it's still 3. I'm at 297 subscribers. I still need 3 more subscribers. 3 more subscribers, and I'll reach 300. I appreciate y'all, the 297 subscribers. Appreciate y'all if y'all can just hit that red subscribe button. If 3 of y'all YouTube channels subscribe, or hit 300. Appreciate y'all. I'm trying to have more longer videos because I really want to reach that 4,000 watch hour mark in the earn tab. When you click on the earn tab in the YouTube studio, one of my milestones is 4,000 watch hours. So that's why I want to at least try to get 1 billion views on my long videos. 1 billion views. At least 1 billion. Appreciate y'all. At least 1 billion views on all my long videos. Okay, it's gonna be 3 minutes, Casper, okay? You got 3 minutes left. Got 3 minutes left, and it'll be 10, okay? Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have to mention watch time ads and views both. And also hit that red subscribe button. I need 3 more subscribers, and I'll reach 300. Appreciate y'all. I'll subscribe back 100%. 500 million, half a billion. If I reach almost 1 billion subscribers, then I should be able to subscribe to all of y'all back at once. That's one of my goals on my subscriber goal, 500 million. So I'll be able to subscribe to y'all, all of y'all. Just in case I reach 2,000 of the subscription. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. You got 2 minutes left. Want to get you really full? You can. You got 2 minutes left, maybe 10, okay? You got 2 minutes left. There's 2 minutes left, maybe 10, Casper. Good baby over there. Baby. Baby, it's a female cat. Casper, it's a male cat. And the cat that y'all love the most, his name's Matt. He's been missing almost 2 months now. Matt's the cat. He been missing almost for 2 months now, so sorry, y'all. Okay, you got one more minute left, Casper. Good to go, baby. Good to go. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. Y'all, if you're still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have to mention watch time ads and views both. Y'all, please help me get to 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Today's date is Monday, April 15th, 2024. Help me get you 500 and million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. If y'all still watching, y'all share this video with your friends and family. Please, I'm begging y'all. I do anything. Comment down below. Like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Get this YouTube video to a billion views. I appreciate it. So I know I have patched 4,000 more sales on this long video. And also help me get you 500 million subscribers. Please, I'm begging y'all. I do anything. I subscribe back 100%. And also, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. And also Google and YouTube, you both listening in on this video. Alternate content, I will hit on no. You guys, everything in this video, it's 100% real, not AI. It's not fake. Everything in this video is 100% real. My voice and Casper the cat, for example. Good boy, Casper. Good boy. Also, if y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. I do anything so I can have some extra watch time, ads, and views both. Casper, hey, get out of there, boy. Get out, 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 out. Come on. Out now. The female break is over. Out. Gotta be outside now. Okay? Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Also, if y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time, ads, and views both. Help me get to 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging. Today's date, it's Monday, April 15th, 2024. Help me get to 500 million subscribers. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all. I'll do anything. I'd subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. And also, please share this video with your friends and family. Smash that like button. Hit that like button, and smash that red subscribe button. So help me out to 500 million subscribers. I'm begging y'all. So I can reach my YouTube channel goal. And also, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. And also Google and YouTube, if you're both listening in on this video. Alternate content, I'll hit on no. Because everything in the alternate content, I'll hit on no. Because everything in this video, it's 100% real. Not AI, it's not fake. It's 100% real. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can have some extra watch time ads and views both. It's okay, Casper. It's okay. Just me. Just me. It's just me. It's just me. Just me, Casper. It's okay. It's just me. It's just me. It's okay. It's okay. It's just me. I have to get up and down. Y'all, if you're still watching the video, please watch the video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can actually mention watch time outs and views both. Good boy. If y'all still watching the video, please watch the video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can actually mention watch time outs and views both. Casper, boy, you ain't supposed to do that. Okay, they'll kill the plants. Plant's gonna die out. Casper, talk to you in a poker. Do I have to be a bucking record boy? Guess I am. Seeing baby. If y'all still watching this video, please watch this video all the way through until the end. Please, I'm begging y'all. So I can answer mention watch time outs and views both. There's a baby right there.
Can you run her away from them flowers?
Hey boy. Hey.
Flowers are gonna make...
Swear to God, I can quit recording. I've never seen him climb a tree before. What the heck?
Good boy. I told you. Use it in the field. That number 2. Y'all please watch this video all the way through and to the end. Please, I'm making y'all so I can have to make some watch time outs and views both. Help me get you 500 million subscribers on YouTube. Please, please, please. I'm begging y'all to do anything. I subscribe back 100%. Like, subscribe, and follow. Please, I'm begging.